how's it going, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be following some TikTok alternative makeup tutorials. I love seeing all the creative ways people do their eyeliner, and they just look so edgy and so cool. I am obsessed. So we're going to be trying 3 in this video. If you want to see me try more, make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know, because I can definitely make more of these videos. So let's get started. Okay, so first up she does her base and her brows, so I'm going to really quickly do that. Okay, we're just going to ignore the fact that my eyebrow pencil was not the right color. Anyway, we're going to do the eyebrow slit. Okay, so I'm taking some concealer and a small brush, and I think I'm going to do it on my right eyebrow. It's like just before the arch. Okay, so it looks like she starts off with a normal wing. I actually got a new eyeliner that I've never tried before, so we're gonna open this up. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so now she draws a line like up above the eyeliner you've already done. And then you go a straight line towards the slit. Oh, okay, like that, I can breathe. Okay, I'm just stupid. You're actually meant to connect this one, so. And then for this one, we're doing a curve and stopping at the start of the slit. And then with the slit, we're doing like an arrow down and an arrow up. And now for the hardest part. Okay, I can't tell if I hate it or not. I'm gonna do the other side quickly. Oh my god, this is gonna be even harder with my left hand. Okay, now we're gonna put on some lipstick. I might actually just spray my face quickly so the eyeliner doesn't smudge. Okay, now for lipstick, I'm gonna just use a random dark brown that I have. And I've seen that old girls sort of like overline the top of their lip. They don't define their, is it like a cupid's bow or something? So I'm gonna try and do that. My eye is watering like crazy right now. So they basically just round out the top. Lipstick smells like chalk. I feel like that looks so cute. I've never done that before. Okay, so this is look number 1 finished. Okay, I just finished filming some TikToks and my wig just completely fell off my head, so it might look a little bit different because I had to reapply it. But we're gonna move on to look 2 now. So the reason I like this one is because it's very messy, which I like. Messy, I feel like messy makeup is very alternative. It looks like you haven't put much effort into it, but secretly you have. And I just feel like it looks really cool, and it's a lot different to this one. This one was very intricate and took a while. This one I feel like will be a lot easier. It might be a little bit harder to take off, but that's for future Emily to deal with. Okay, I feel like my eyes look so naked right now. Like, is it just me or do they look like tiny? So we're gonna start. I just touched up my concealer around my eyes, added some more blush and highlighter, also fixed the slit in my brow, not that you can really see it anyway. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go in with some black eyeshadow. I don't know if she used like an eyeliner or something. I do have a gel eyeliner, but that's gonna be even more difficult to remove, so I'm just gonna try black eyeshadow first. And she just does like a wing sort of shape. So it's going to be hard for me because I'm a perfectionist, but she basically wants it to be messy. So I'm going to try my hardest to not be too perfect with it. I'm going to try and get the shape So kind of wings up like that. Okay, I'm gonna start building that pigment up, and I'm just gonna try and be really rough with it, because the whole point is meant to be like really fast, like you just slapped it on your face. Oh my god, teenage Emily is like coming out right now. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the other eye. Oh my god, this is going against like everything I've ever been taught about makeup. Like just being messy, not blending it that well. Okay, now that I look absolutely insane, I'm going to blend it a little bit. I used to do really heavy eyeliner, and this is bringing back so many memories. Now I'm gonna go in with the mascara, and she just like dabs it around her eye, so that's what I'm gonna try and do. My mascara has like little synthetic hairs in it, so I don't know if this is just gonna make my face really like hairy. Oh my gosh, this just feels wrong. That was so much fun. Okay, that was seriously the most fun I've had in ages. Do I look insane? A little bit. Am I obsessed with it? Abso-freaking-lutely. Oh my god, I love this. So she also added like huge lashes with hers. I feel like even if I add lashes, it's not gonna really, like, you're not gonna be able to see them. And I don't have like huge lashes like she does. Should I add black lipstick? I'm gonna put mascara on my lashes. Oh my god, I just realized how much of a pain this is gonna be to remove. Oh, I should have done this one last. Okay, I'm gonna grab black lipstick. I feel like it has to complete this look. So she rounds the top as well, so that must be like the new thing. Okay, so this is the final look for look number 2. I'm trying to wait for my lipstick to dry because I just know it's gonna get all over my teeth. But this is how it looks. Let me know what you think. It's very different. I have a very prominent cupid's bow on my lip, so I don't know if I'll keep this rounded shape. I feel like it doesn't really work too much with my lips, but I think it's really cute. Like there's a certain way they smile where it's like that, and it's like really cute. So she used a piece of tape, but I've got a lot of practice with using eyeliner pens, so I don't think I'm gonna need it. Usually I can do it quite straight. But rather than going up, I usually go up towards my eyebrow tail, or like the end of my eyebrow. She goes kind of like straight. So I'm gonna go straight across. And then she goes in, and then I think you look down and then just draw it straight down to connect. And I'm just gonna draw in the rest of it and then fill that in. And then I'm gonna do the other eye. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Now is not the time. Okay, so then I'm gonna grab some black eyeshadow, and then she adds like a line under her eye. I'm just smudging that out a little bit. And then she also has the fox eye in the corner of her eye, so I'm gonna add that. Okay, then she adds some pink and red eyeshadow under her eye. I'm just gonna use this light brownie contour. Okay, I feel like that just filled in my eye bags, but I guess it's a look. I'm also gonna switch back to the first lipstick that I had on. Okay, and that's look 3 done. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which of the 3 looks was your favorite, and also let me know if you're interested in me doing a video like this again. It was super fun to make. I love trying out new eyeliner looks. All credits to the TikTok creators will be in the description of my video, so make sure you go and check them out, and I'll see you all next week with another video. Bye!